Good morning and mabuhay po to all of us all over the world. This is our update in our videos in backyard farming. So now the papaya, I have planted so many papaya. It more than 20 papaya trees, but now they're only the papaya only few are only survive because in the last November and December 2025 we had suffered two super typhoons, Super Typhoon Tino and Super Typhoon Owang. So the papaya was did not survive because of heavy waters and heavy rains during the month of December. So now I planted patola. This is a patola. Here, patola, and this is the trellis of the patola. I already prepared trellis for patola, and that guava tree. In the future, it will the patola the vines will go up there. Okay. And now I also planted in our backyard garden some sili labuyo, some spice. There, that's a sili labuyo called in our Philippines. Yes. This spice, sili labuyo, is very expensive here in the Philippines. In Manila, it costs over 1,000 per kilo. Okay. Here. This is some patola. I will sit here in this one. Okay. In front of me, these are eggplants. Yes. In the middle of this trellis for patola, I planted eggplants. Basically, this technique of my backyard garden is you harvest it up and down. Harvest from up here in the trellis and down here. Okay. Here's the gabi.